Friends, this is 22nd October 2021. I am Dilsai with Ratnam coming out to you with news, business news. And we have some quick news. On 22nd, Center vax drive to cover entire adult population by year end. They have covered a million jabs, and now they are have even come to a celebration point. Laksh Vishal. So, another news in relief to Invesco, High Court asked G to conduct EGM. So again, they are once again asking G to conduct EGM. Good, but the markets are down for the third day. Markets in the red for third straight day. And one big news today is Amazon in Supreme Court against futures meetings. Amazon in Supreme Court. Invesco demand. Bombay High Court asked G to call EGM again. EGM to be chaired by competent person such as a retired High Court judge or a corporate executive. He is supposed to be a neutral one this time. That direction has been given. And equities sell-off resumes amid weak earnings, high valuations. This is from Mint, and Mint is also giving some podcasts. Follow them. They are Why Not Mint Money? Why Not Mint Money? Here is the QR code. And second podcast is Tell Me How You Did It. Tell me how you did it. And third podcast, Mint Business News. So we have a famous saying from Pratap C. Reddy, Chairman, Apollo Hospitals. Quote of the day. Overcoming the challenges of the past vast population is an achievement all Indians can be proud of. With the hope and reassurance of protection from disease, we can look forward to business line. Paytm may shelve rupees 2000 crore pre-IPO placement. Plans to hit capital market in first week of November after receiving SEBI's nod. So get ready for investment if you have money. Amazon Prime membership prices to be hiked by 50% soon. So if you are a member, if you are not a member, get ready. If you are a member, feel happy. Center hikes dearness allowance by 3%, raising it to 31%. Go for direct listing. Paytm may go for direct listing. Diwali Dhamaka. India INX will offer facility that allows domestic investors to directly invest in stocks across 31 countries, says V. Balasubramaniam, CEO. Amazon files fresh plea in Supreme Court against future retail. Financial Express from the inner pages. Wills shareholders approve Saudi Aramco's chairman's appointment on board. Amend Electricity Act for a future-ready power system. So there is some special news regarding personal finances. We must be adept in personal financing from Deepavali. Tips for festive shopping with credit cards. Credit cards will decide your CIBIL rating. It's a great knife with two edges. It cuts from both edges. Barring purchases on EMIs, always pay your dues in full every month. This is especially important if you are going to go crazy with your festive shopping. Festive offers are all around us. Always budget. Pick a card smartly. Beware of cashews. Spending limit can be increased. Check your credit score. Keep track of credit use. Compare loan options. May impact other borrowings. This is very important in our personal finances since it directly has having impact on credit score from CIBIL. I read it, please. Check your credit score. Responsible credit behavior involves regularly tracking your credit score. You can do free monthly checks of your credit score online. This is especially necessary after a season of big spends from your credit card because these have the potential to lower your score, CIBIL score. CIBIL score anything above 750 to 800 is good and healthy, and below that it is very bad. It is very bad. Banks won't allow you, they won't entertain you. They would simply push you off. CIBIL score. I am having a CIBIL score of 748, 740, short by 2 points. I need to prove it. So again, even with all this said, again the Mint paper gives a full-length essay about crypto craze. Crypto craze. What's fueling the crypto craze in India now? So friends, understand me, crypto is coming. It is becoming a reality. You must know how to store crypto values. You must know how to bring them into your wallet. And also select them and store them and invest them and lend them. So cryptos may even overtake fiat money also. You will hear shortly ECNY. It's a American crypto. I mean financial coin. And we may hear also Chinese yuan. And the countries like Sweden, Japan, India are now discussing and coming out with CBDCs, central bank digital coins, which is supposed to have no volatility. Crypto is having volatility, but CBDCs are so designed that they may be not having volatility. So from this side again you can understand Mint paper August 22, what's fueling the crypto craze in India. The entry of Bollywood actors and cricketers has rekindled interest in cryptocurrencies in the country. But where does a cryptocurrency really get its value from? Should you be investing in every new token? Mint explains. Surging interest. In October, comparison platform broker Schuster said India has 100.7 million, the highest number of crypto holders in the world. The country has mostly gained from growing trading volumes on crypto exchanges. India, crypto owners in millions. India 101, US 27, Russia 17, Nigeria 13, Brazil 10. See, India is on the top. India is topping. It is having so many crypto owners in millions, 101 million, at least 10 billion. And the points are like this. First is, what are the new crypto tokens? I'll read the first and the last. India is no stranger to cryptocurrencies, but two new tokens have recently gained interest from users. The first is token called Dollar Gari from short video platform Chingari, which the company says is a social token that will be used to help creators run their own e-commerce operations, create non-fungible tokens in NFTs and more. The other called is Bali, which is the cryptocurrency for a Bollywood only NFT marketplace called Balicoin. Started to director Amit Agnihotri. Both tokens were promoted by actor Salman Khan and have received interest from both the crypto community and users alike. So non-fungible tokens developed by Salman Khan and supported by Salman Khan, Dollar Gari. And the fifth, what other use cases are there? Crypto aren't simply meant to be tradable assets. They power blockchain platforms which can be used to build new applications. This is where their value comes from. The instance, the Ethereum platform is valuable because it allows developers to build a variety of decentralized apps on top of it, including financial, messaging, social media apps, games, and more. Similarly, Polygon allows platforms to reduce transaction fees. Experts say a cryptocurrency that's tied to a single platform will not have value in the long run. So this is the news from Mint. Thank you friends. This is general news from Dilsher Ratnam, 22nd October 2021, and signing off. Have a good day.